POV. Bro says he knows the spot. This is literally the best spot ever. I think. I totally didn't ride through here to get here, but yeah, pretty sweet spot. You got the sunset. You got the tall grass. You got the Grom. Man, life is good. I came up here just to watch the sunset tonight, and I'm glad I did. You can see everything from up here. I mean, it goes for miles and miles. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. Get out there and see the beauty of the world, because it exists, and it always will. See y'all later.